In this daily drop, I'm going to talk about my recent trip to California and some of the things that I learned when doing this particular project. So let's go. All right, everybody, if you saw at the beginning of the episode, that little funkiness, that's what happens in the weird world of green screen. And, you know, it's the continuing evolution of me starting to set up for figuring out virtual production for small crew stuff. I'm actually just a few minutes away from the weekly live stream, which I'm looking forward to. And if you're watching this today, meaning the day it drops, it is July 4th. And in this country, July 4th basically means, especially when it's on a Thursday, the entire country kind of shuts down for 4 days. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm going to do 2 daily drops back to back. And this one, I want to just talk a little bit about my trip to Los Angeles. I just got back a couple of days ago from producing and shooting the 2 Steadicam Access videos. We're in post right now. And one of the things that I did that was a little bit different on this particular project is really push hard for a day of production that just had to do with what I call hero footage, through the lens footage. And what we had was 2 Steadicam Access units. One was flying the C400, one was flying the FX9, and the C400 had a 35mm lens, a new hybrid lens. The FX9 flew a 35mm nano prime, and then also their Sony's 28-135 f4 lens. And we had to use either or for different scenarios. We leaned on that 28-135 because of autofocus. But basically, I got in on Friday, set up all afternoon on Friday, pre-lit for the at the bench or, to camera stuff with Neil Bryant, who's a phenomenal Steadicam operator and part of the SOC, and he was the Steadicam op on The Last of Us. He's just a great guy. And then all day Saturday, the to camera stuff. And I really pushed to get that all done on that day because on Sunday, we went to Playa del Rey, we went to Santa Monica, and we shot with 3 different Steadicam operators who had these different camera systems and lenses on there so that we could talk out on Saturday, the to camera stuff, different ways of operating using the Steadicam Access, and then have the operators recreate those shots or those types of operating styles and then actually see the footage from the C400 and the FX9. I think that elevates the production value. I don't always get to do it with projects. I did with the R5C project for Canon, and I think that was a key component of talking about what a piece of equipment can do and then actually seeing the result of that. So if you're thinking about creating educational content in and around products, make sure you see the result of what that product can produce, especially if it's a visual capturing product, if that makes sense, meaning a camera or a lens or something like a Steadicam Access. You want to see what using that equipment can do. Try to make sure you have some time. It will elevate the production value considerably. Okay, live stream time. Don't forget to. And I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.